Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with TeslaFi for driving analytics and billing, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with TeslaFi for driving analytics and billing, start by navigating to the TeslaFi website. Click on the sign up button if you don't have an account yet. Fill out the registration form with your details, including your email address and password. After submitting the form, check your email for a confirmation message from TeslaFi. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the TeslaFi website and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you will need to connect your Tesla account. Click on the Connect to Tesla button on the dashboard. This will redirect you to Tesla's login page. Enter your Tesla account credentials and sign in. You may be prompted to allow TeslaFi access to your vehicle data. Review the permissions carefully. If you agree, click on the Allow button to grant access. Once authenticated, TeslaFi will set up a secure connection with your Tesla account. You will be redirected back to the TeslaFi dashboard once the connection is established. Your driving data will begin syncing automatically. You can check your driving analytics and billing information under the respective sections. Explore the various features available to analyze your driving patterns. If you encounter any issues, refer to the TeslaFi support page for troubleshooting assistance. Now you are ready to make the most of TeslaFi for your driving analytics and billing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.